Hey there, are you encountering issues with Cash App? This week I've got some helpful tips on how to fix Cash App error code 400 and ensure your transactions go smoothly. Cash App is a popular tool for sending and receiving money, but like any app, it can sometimes hit a snag. Error code 400 is one such issue, and it can be frustrating when you're in the middle of managing your finances. In this guide, we'll explore several solutions to fix this error and get your Cash App up and running again. Understanding error code 400. Before diving into the fixes, it's helpful to understand what error code 400 is. Essentially, it's a bad request error, which can occur due to issues with your internet connection, app version, or account settings. Knowing the root cause can make the troubleshooting process quicker and more efficient. Step 1. Check your internet connection. The first step in resolving error code 400 is to ensure that your internet connection is stable. A poor or unstable connection can often lead to incomplete requests on Cash App. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one works better than the other. Also, try resetting your router or modem, as these devices can occasionally be the source of connectivity issues. Step 2. Update your Cash App. Outdated app versions can be another reason for encountering error code 400. Make sure you have the latest version of Cash App installed on your device. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Cash App and update it if a newer version is available. Updated apps can often have bug fixes and improvements that solve common problems. Step 3. Clear cache and app data. Sometimes corrupted cache or data can lead to app malfunction. To address this, clear the cache and data for Cash App. On an Android device, go to Settings, navigate to Apps, find Cash App, and choose the option to clear cache and data. For iPhone users, uninstalling and reinstalling the app can achieve the same result. Step 4. Check your account detail. Ensure that all the account details you've entered are correct. A mismatch in your information can result in failed transactions and trigger error code 400. Double check your bank account details, linked debit card information, and any other personal data linked to Cash App. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If the error persists after trying the aforementioned steps, reach out to Cash App support. In-app support or the Cash App website offers customer support channels. Clearly explain your issue to the support team and provide any necessary screenshots or error messages. They are equipped to dig deeper into technical glitches and offer a tailored solution. There you have it, the comprehensive guide on how to fix Cash App error code 400. With these steps, you can resolve this pesky issue and keep on managing your transactions without a hitch. Remember, a stable internet connection, app updates, and correct account information are key to avoid such errors in the future. Should the problem continue, don't hesitate to contact Cash App support to get the assistance you need. By following this guide, you're well on your way to enjoying a seamless experience with Cash App. Happy transacting.